So the cafe came about just after lockdown ended, and the idea behind it was that there was something for people to come back out to, and we felt like people were telling us there was a lot of fear and anxiety about coming back out into the community, accessing the community centre, mixing with other people and going into groups. So it was to support and encourage people to do that.
Hi there, I'm Andrew Christian. I'm a volunteer at the Bonnet Café. Now, I've only been volunteering for 3 or 4 months. I actually was part of the music group and then was offered a seat on the management committee. And then from there, they got me into serving teas and coffees. I get a lot of work experience out of it, to be honest. It's good customer care. Well, it's all about self-isolation, and it's helping people out with that. Giving them somewhere that they can go.
There's always someone to talk to, so we've got a really friendly group of volunteers who are willing to make people feel welcome, and they really enjoy their time here as well. So even if people come along on their own, it is about reducing isolation and supporting people to make new connections. The other thing that we try to do is raise awareness of what's on locally as well. So it's an ideal opportunity for people to have face-to-face contact with workers in the centre or other workers who come in to use the centre. We've got organisations that will use the cafe as a meeting space. So they'll come in and maybe do one-to-one meetings with clients and service users. And then after that, people can continue coming along themselves if they enjoy it.